Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm filming a makeup look, which I haven't done in quite some time. So yeah, I don't really know exactly what I'm doing yet. I just know it's gonna be like Christmassy. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. I haven't filmed in a while. This is gonna be a kind of chatty one, so if you're not interested, then I guess you can go ahead and click away or fast forward to the end to see the makeup look. My background is a complete disaster. My guest bedroom is a mess because I've been a mess, basically, so I just haven't cleaned it yet. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so now that we're all zoomed in and quite close, you guys can see how bad my skin is right now. I have so many breakouts from wearing a mask and being stressed and eating things that aren't good for me and drinking a little bit more than I normally do. So don't mind those. Eyes first for this look because I figured I would do something a little bit more dramatic than doing my skin first because I don't want to mess with fallout and all that jazz. So yeah. Alright you guys, so apparently I was not recording how to do this eye whatsoever. I love that. Okay, well it's a good thing I still have a few more steps to do so I can at least just talk you through what I did. So what I did was I took this big fluffy brush and I took the lighter green. I took this lighter green here in the James Charles palette and I loaded it up and I just like really packed it in the crease and I blended it out, and then I took the darker green right there that's right above that and then I put it in my outer third of my eyeball, outer crease area, and then I took the shimmery shade right here, which I was saying I wish was a little bit brighter so it stood in contrast more with the other greens, and it doesn't. It's not as bright as the mattes. It's actually more of a similar type shade, which I'm okay with but not like crazy about, so I did put that in there after cutting my crease with concealer, or cutting my third crease. I'm sorry, it's not like a full cut crease type situation, but after I did that then I took a small eyebrow brush and I defined that crease more by stamping it with the really dark green that I used in my outer corner, and then I just blended it all out at the top there with the light green once again. I'm sorry I didn't get that recorded. I thought it was recording and it wasn't. I never pushed the button, so that's fabulous. Sounds like how my life has been going lately. What I was saying before I realized I wasn't filming, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner on this eye off camera and then I'll just pop right back on to do the rest of the look with you guys, including the fun glitter. Alright you guys, so I did my eyeliner, so what I'm gonna do now is the really fun part, which is the glitter, and unfortunately on this eye I made the mistake of doing my glitter after I applied my eyelash in my mascara. I'm not gonna do that this time because it's way easier to not do it that way. NYX Glitter Glue Primer. I'm gonna grab your brush for your glitter, which I have two different brushes here. So I have an eyebrow brush for my glitter on my lower inner corner, and then I'm gonna have a more flat brush like that you would use for like applying primer or concealer to your eyelid for the glitter on the top. Glitter glue, and I'm just gonna apply it right where I want that glitter to sit. And then I'm just gonna kind of dry it a little bit quickly, and then I'm gonna pick up quite a bit of my glitter, which I have this red glitter here from Stay Golden Cosmetics. It's a really beautiful, like Christmassy red glitter, and then I'm just gonna, like, quite frankly, pack it on. So now that I have that beautiful glitter laid down, I'm gonna go ahead and take one of my brushes and wipe away underneath, because I have quite a bit of fallout. That's the only bad thing about glitter, is that it gets absolutely everywhere when you're doing your makeup. So I'm gonna put some more of that glitter glue on the back of my hand. Let me try to show you guys how much I put. So I literally do like that much, and that's plenty. Mess around in the glue, get it nice and warm to my skin to like activate it, and then I'm just gonna pop it right on the center of my eyelid As you can see, it kind of changes the color of the shadow. That's okay. And I just like it right there in the center because that's where I want to put my glitter. NYX glitter 08, and there's a color that goes along with it, I'm sure. And I tap the excess glitter off because it's insane how much glitter I have. And then I'm just gonna dab it on there. And I feel like it makes you look like a Christmas tree. Now, if you want and you have hooded eyes like I didn't do this on the opposite side. I would leave my lid lifted like that or leave your eye closed until it completely dries. Otherwise you're gonna get transfer up here, like in your crease, which is what happened to me. It's just, oh my gosh, I just spilled glitter everywhere. It's just one of those things. It's like part of it when you have hooded eyes, which sucks, but what can you do? Nothing. Glue on my eyelashes so I can let it set to get tacky. I would use black glue for this normally since I'm wearing eyeliner, but I can't find my black glue. So we just gonna use clear today and then put eyeliner over the band, so hopefully it won't be as noticeable. So now I'm gonna take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm gonna put that along my waterline because you can't have red and green without white for Christmas time, am I right? So if you're gonna do white on your waterline, always do your mascara on your bottom lashes afterwards. I just really like how that looks. I wish it stayed that vibrant. Like even on this side you can see because my eyes are so watery, the white is not as vibrant as it was. I'm gonna touch it up on this other side, okay? So I'm gonna take my mascara, which I really don't like. If you guys have any good mascara recommendations, please leave them down below because I'm using this Maybelline Bambi mascara and I don't like it that much at all. These lashes are so pretty, they're so dramatic. If you guys are wondering, they're the D338s from Dodo Lashes, and if you would like to snag some of your own, you can use my code EmmaVictoria_MUA for, I think it's 5% off, which is a pretty good deal because they're already super affordable. I need to get this skin under control because girl, that's not good. I have not broken out this bad in I don't know how long. Like, it's ridiculous. I'm not gonna use a primer today because I just don't care. My makeup's definitely not gonna be staying on, so I am gonna use the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Cushion foundation today in the shade N2, which is Classic Ivory, which is me because I'm pale. I haven't filmed a video in a while because there's been so much going on in my life. And my new job, I'm still like acclimating to the hours because I have to be at work at 8 a.m. And my job that I worked at before, that I worked at for over 2 years, I didn't have to be at work until 2 in the afternoon. So it's just like a big difference than what it was previously. And don't get me wrong, I like the new job, but it just is so busy. It's such a busy doctor's office that it like takes so much out of me. And so I feel like I don't have time to do anything else, like filming and stuff like that. And also, this holiday season has just been really hard on me, like Thanksgiving and stuff, because I haven't seen my parents since January. That's just really, really, really hard on me because I'm really close to them. But obviously because of COVID, we have not seen each other, we haven't been traveling, you know, trying to be smart about everything, and my dad's health is not that great anyways, so yeah. Actually, really, really recently, I lost my grandmother to complications due to COVID, so that's been really hard. I don't know, you guys, it's just, this year has been absolute trash, and you know, I don't think there's many things that could make it worse, except if Trump had won the election. That would have made it worse. But luckily, he didn't. So that's great. That's my foundation. I am gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, I think. My tails of my eyebrows have pretty much grown back, which is kind of unfortunate because I was really digging half brow look. But alas, it has come to an end for now. I definitely am going to shave them off again at some point whenever I have more energy to do my makeup often. Oh, the brows are so ugly. My Casey Holmes Physicians Formula palette. Use some of that butter bronzer, which you don't have to use from the Casey Holmes palette. I'm just going to bronze up my cheeks like quite a bit and my forehead. Also using the blush from this Casey Holmes palette. And I'm going to smile, but I'm not going to put it on the apples. I'm going to put it a little bit higher. Because I did learn that trick from Jamie Genevieve and also Robert Welsh, who is a makeup artist here on YouTube, but he has been a makeup artist for a very long time, like professionally, and I really like that. So I'm gonna take my foundation brush, because I did go like way overboard on the blush as usual, and I'm just gonna tap that out a little bit to kind of blend it in, hopefully. Oh yeah, that looks way nicer. So now I'm going to go ahead and highlight, and I think I'm going to use the Jaclyn Cosmetics highlighting palette because it's my favorite, and I'm so sad that it was limited edition. I'm going to mix them together like a lot, and I'm going to just swirl it in there. Yes, emphasize my texture. Put a little bit on the side of my nose here, and then a little bit like right in here. And then my Cupid's bow, that's my favorite place to highlight. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I just love this highlighter, it's pretty. And then I do like to dust just a little bit on the apples of my cheek. I know a lot of people don't like that look, but I like it a lot. Yeah, I like that a lot. That highlighter is so gorgeous, you guys. Okay, so now I'm going to take one of my brown liquid eyeliners to try to turn some of these pimples into beauty marks, my friend. I should probably just add a few over here. I never get breakouts on my ugly side of my face. Do you guys have that same situation? That same problem, I guess? Take Kylie Jenner lip liner in the shade Jordy, which if you guys know, her and Jordy are not friends anymore. I'm gonna use my Fenty lip gloss in the shade Cheeky. I wish I had a more red lip gloss, but I really don't. We'll see if this is too orangey. If it is, I'll change it. Ooh. I like that, guys. I don't know. What do you think? I think that's pretty. Especially with the sun coming through right now. Ooh, I think that's lovely. What do you guys think? Oh my god, the sun might actually be not good for this video right now because it's so uneven on my face. Finished makeup look. Sorry, oh my god, the lighting is so not good. It's like the sun's going down and it's reflecting off my neighbor's window. It looks so bad, but this makeup is so pretty. See if I can try to show you. Are my little sparkly ornaments. They inspired me for this makeup look. I don't have any sparkly green ornaments, unfortunately. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am once again so sorry about this lighting at the last second. It took way longer to film this than I thought I was going to, but I think it still turned out pretty cool. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like me and you want to see more content from me, please subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notifications on so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Hope you guys have a great Christmas and you enjoy your Christmas, but also be really safe and smart and wash your hands and social distance. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, thank you guys so much for just watching, and hopefully you learned how to do a cool makeup look today. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you all have a great day. Bye!